Hi, April. This is your beautiful lovebird. He or she is so sweet, and we usually don't. I usually don't train lovebirds because of the cost differences. I guess pretty significant to some of the other birds. But April chose to have her trained at an extra cost, and you can do that too before before we ship a bird to you. You can get it trained. We train all our parrotlets. Mwah! You're so sweet. Okay, can you step up? Come on, come on. That's a good birdie. Look at you. Look at you. Oh my, aren't you something? Yeah, so proud. Step up. Oh boy, whoopee. Oh, that was so good. One more time. Oh, you're so sweet. I love the baby. I love the baby. And this bird really goes for the poor baby stuff. And it feels insecure with its feet wagging up in the air, but I had I had it like this, and I was just kind of rocking back and forth, and she fell asleep. Fell asleep for a while. Yeah. Oh gosh, you're so cute. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna get her on the floor. She is supposed to. He usually hops up and like, come on, step up, step up, step. Come on, you're gonna do it. Oh, good girl. Sometimes she just takes a jump and hops straight into your palm, which is really cute. Why don't you? I love you. Okay, you can get your trained lovebird or many other beautiful little pets. This one she's just like this little fluff ball that's stuck to you. Okay, you can get birds at our website at Flybabies Aviary, AVIARY.com, and then would appreciate it. And then you could have fun too, is liking our site. There's the three things: you like it, subscribe, and push the black bell, and you'll get to see more. What do I call it? Fluff Town? No, Featherfest. One other. Anyway, you get to see all these cute birds. You my sweet bird. I love you. I love you. Oh, baby. She likes to be riding.